Well, today we're going to try and make some very, very small Christmas stockings. So, not sure how this is going to turn out. Kate's chosen festive red and white. I've chosen not quite so festive. It's green.
Green's festive. It's evergreen, isn't it?
Yeah, but I mean, these have got to be small, haven't they?
Yes.
So, not sure how this is going to turn out. We're going to try. They first draw them, I suppose, isn't it? I'm going to go with this line.
Do we have any pins?
Yeah.
That's
Too big. Well, remember, it's
very
gonna
large. But yeah, okay.
It's going to be sewn. It's going to be. It's fraying loads.
Put some glue along the edges.
Yeah, I was going to say I might just glue it. Is that too big? It's way
We'll
too
hold
big.
it up against the fireplace. Yes, it's too big. Oh no, it's stuck to my finger.
What if I cut it down? Cut it down to.
Yeah, talk about fraying. Oh. No.
Yeah, ribbon frays a lot. Ah, no, I've got.
Yeah, it's just
Stuck to me.
completely fallen apart.
Oh, it snorted.
You did. Oh, it's completely fallen apart.
How's yours? Oh, yours is cute.
So now I just need to. Where's the paint?
I've got to stuff it now. careful. I haven't even thought about that yet. Nice.
What else would they have sticking out of the stocking?
Could be really go horribly
You're going to
wrong.
write on it with paint. Goodness.
This could go horribly wrong. Maybe I shouldn't. I wanted to though. Okay, here we go. Go.
Hi. He's walking backwards.
He is walking backwards into my path. His tail's in my light. It's fading, Sonny. No, I'm painting very delicately. I need some greenery. Where did you get your greenery from? No, no, you're standing on. I can't see.
I wound a piece of wire with white thread, and then I wound red thread around it.
Nice. Do that then. Mine's not dry. And I couldn't find the glitter, which I'm a bit sad about.
What do you think of these, Sonny?
They are quite different.
Yeah.
Yours are more primitive than mine.
I think they work there.
How big a candy cane did you make?
I made a big one and a smaller one.
Too big.
remember, the dolls are very different in size. So that size candy cane to, say,
Just one
Marmee.
piece of thread.
Yep. Oh, I used this.
Oh. You glued it, yeah?
Yep, I glued the wire and then wound the thread round it.
Oh, this is going to be fiddly.
So then how big did you want it? A woolly hat on indoors.
Oops.
It's suddenly gotten very cold, hasn't it?
Yes. Very, very cold.
That's why Sunny is.
Really close to us.
Yes.
Mine, you're not going to know what mine's really like until it's dry.
Okay. Let's wait for it to dry then.
How's that look?
Looks cute. Very cute.
Does it look a bit too big in the middle?
Yeah. Put it to the side. Move, Bernie.
I reckon you could just do that.
Hang it by the candy cane. Okay. And then the little one.
So that's our stockings made. Mine quite a lot larger and a lot more involved than yours,
Yeah.
but you did make two.
I did.
And yours look more primitive than mine. Mine's for Marmee. I mean, Marmee's massive, so
Yeah.
she needs a big stocking.
Mhm.
But it does mean that somebody doesn't have a stocking.
Oh.
That makes me a bit sad.
No, it's just stockings for everyone.
Oh, okay.
There's just lots of treats in there for all of them.
Oh, she says okay.
Yeah, I quite like them.
Yeah.
I personally would very much like the yellow one as my stocking. So yeah, that was day, goodness, 9.
9.
Whew.
I think it's 9.
Mhm. And tomorrow's a slightly different one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm quite chuffed with it though.
Yeah,
So,
it's worked quite well.
can't wait to show it to you tomorrow. One last thing to do on the 9th is open day number 9 of our wonderful advent calendar, courtesy of Fairy Acorn.
What's that?
It's a pie again, or a pudding. Oh goodness.
It's got like a holly and...
Yeah, you put your glasses on. It's a beautiful little holly. Is it like a loaf, or is that icing?
I don't know.
I love it. It's so very Christmassy.
It's going to go on the table.
Yeah, the
well.
Christmas dinner table is going to look very exciting. We'll be very jealous of these dolls. Where are we putting the food until?
I've got it in a box,
Okay.
ready to go.
Cool. Wow, look at the detail on top. Oh, it's going to look so Christmassy.